seconds to shoot. Referee, catch and shoot. Wala. Offensive rebound number 16. Basketball. 6 point. 8 minutes and 2 seconds. 26. Number 2. Ginagawan, 57-49. Ginagawan ko Salva. Reverse round. Number 12, Salva. 51, 57, score. 51, 57. 7 minutes, 36. Caro, 14. Top of the kill. Time for Julie. 51. Bola 4. Cantada, 2 points. Cantada, number 11. 53-60. 7 minutes, 12. 14. Caro, back to 14, number 91. Hala, offensive rebound by Balaga. Repeat. 10 seconds to shoot. Caro, number 23. Noay, 5 to shoot. 2 points. Noay. 52, 53, 6 minutes and 29. Ginagawan. Number 2, dribble. Smooth dribble. Of the screen, number 2. Salvalia wala. Short. Ready. Attack to the basket. 2 points. Ready. 64, 53. 64, 53, 6 minutes, 23. Ginagawan. Salva, number 12. Wala. Salva, offense. Rebound, wala. Rebound by Noay. Shooting. 6 minutes, 9. Caro, number 23. Ripe. Noay, number 16. Rupos. Caro, Balaga. Isla, wala. Defensive rebound by Salva. Ginagawan, number 2. 5 minutes, 50. There's a whistle. Number 23, pushing foul. First personal foul, number 23. First team foul, Agos. Bella Flor. Rebound. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 35. 14 seconds to shoot. At the single. Bella Flor. Ginagawan. Salva, number 22. Wala. Rebound by Balaga. Number 91, 14. There's a whistle. Time 5 minutes and 22. First turn. No basket. 22. Score. 53-64. Sigado. Basket. 69-53. Minutes and 20. Ginagawan. Number 2. Stable. Balaga 14, number 91. Wala. Score na to. 65. 5 minutes and 1 second. 5 minutes and 1 second. Ay gabi na Sir Edgar. Sir Chiro. Diagnosis. Ay gabi niya. Frederick. Ay na rebound. Righty, number 14. Top of the key. Wala. Balaga. Number 2. Ginagawan. There's a whistle. Number 14, Ricky. First personal foul. 47. 17 to shoot. Number 2, Ginagawan. Looking for the steven. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 to Cantada. Jump ball. Wala shot. Awali ba? Maganda. Ricky. Wala. Wala naman. Nakuha ko na. Buhay-buhay. Still. Right there. Carol, Mustang, 2 points. Carol, number 23. 4 minutes and 14. Mera floor for Chewy. 4 minutes and 5. Score na to. 56-67. Project. Boy. Carol, number 23. Back to Noai, number 16 from the right wing. And an out rebound. 39. 14 seconds to shoot. Carol. Number 23. I believe I can fly. Number 23. 3 minutes and 40. 69-56. Hila Raman. Number 2. Screen. Manila. Yeah. Running forward, number 91. Number 22, Carol. Pull away, 2 points, Carol. Story ako, sulit tayo na, 56. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Mula Raman. Marula. Bersama lah, number 7. Sudah bersama Majita. Katala, 10 seconds to shoot. That's a 3 seconds violation. Running score 56-51. Reyes, Caro. Number 23. Ruas de la ball, Villarreal. Goa. Number 23, Caro. Dos 93. Ripping. Elbow jump shot, using the glass, 4 points by Ripping. 53, 56. 2 minutes and 20. There's a whistle, there's a foul. There's Mississippi. Mela Roman. Number 7. Mera Flor, wala. Rebound, Nantada. Basket foul. Looking by number minutes and 2 seconds. Foul number 2. Warning for penalty against Barbados. Katala. Complete the 3 points, number 11. Minutes. Reyes. Ricky. After Reyes. Lalo. Wala. Rebound by number 7. To number 2. Villarreal. Wala. Wala. Kobere mga tira. Flow. Tantala. Number 11 reverse. Wow. Number 11. Tantala. 1 minute and 25. 1 minute and 24. Reyes. 61-73. Lalo, Reyes, Ricky. Number 14, dinamitan ng katawan, short, Mera Flor. 1 minute and 7 seconds, Mera Flor na Yuna Rawan. Recovery na mo, seconds for play. 25 seconds, Ricky is up, 2 points. 50 seconds. 25 seconds. Barrera. Villarreal. 40 seconds. Mera Flor. Back to Villarreal number 2. Barrera with the shot. There's a whistle. 30.7. A foul. First personal foul, Panagua. Tenemos 75. The minute time, 30.7. Offensive rebound number 7. Stay the ball. 25 segundos. Managwa goes the cross. There's up. Number 2, Aaron Kutchak. Number 2, be careful. You are third team foul. Arvin Digital. 22 segundos. Force by Managwa. 76 segundos. Ano ang oras? 22. Siguro from the 15-foot line. Wala. Reyes, Rippy, Lano, 10 seconds to shoot. Managwa, 2 points. Remains time, 9 seconds. Ilawalan, 5 seconds.